Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving you 5 tips for you to make more sales if you're having sales like troubles basically. So number 1 is to offer loyalty programs. For example, if a customer has ordered like 3, 4, 5 cakes, you can decide the 5th one is going to be at a discount or when they bring their friends or something. Number 2, tap into social media. Your customers want to see behind the scenes of how you make your cakes. They want to feel a part of your business, so you should do that. Number 3, stay ready for the holidays like Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas Day. Like, make things that like people would want to buy at a discount usually during those times. Number 4, care about your customers by using the right ingredients. Yes, don't fill up their cakes with preservatives and like unnatural stuff. Number 5, offer different portion sizes. This is important. Those that can buy more expensive ones to buy the cheaper ones. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.